Welcome back to SS Engineers and Consultants. Today, we are going to discuss the turmeric powder making plant.
It starts at the farm. Mature rhizomes are carefully lifted from the soil, sorted in the field, and collected in crates to begin the transformation.
Crude material is sorted, stones, damaged roots, and foreign matter are removed. Then the rhizomes are thoroughly washed to remove all soil and grit.
Curing is a critical step. Controlled steam or boiling develops the characteristic color, reduces microbes, and readies the rhizomes for efficient drying.
Dried correctly, turmeric holds its color and aroma. Modern plants use continuous belt or flash dryers to reduce moisture carefully, low enough to store safely, but gentle enough to preserve curcumin and flavor.
Once dry and conditioned, the rhizomes are crushed and finely ground in multi-stage mills to produce a uniform powder. Dust control systems keep the plant clean and safe.
Sieve to size, the powder is blended to ensure consistent color, texture, and potency across batches, a crucial step for branded spice quality. Packaging protects the powder from oxygen and moisture. High barrier pouches, nitrogen flushing, and tamper-evident seals extend shelf life and preserve aroma.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.